Hi, I'm Randy at Wert Bedrooms, standing in front of two of our Posh and Lavish solid latex mattresses. Latex has a very unique characteristic to it that when you build a mattress out of it, it is the deepest, most muscle relaxing material there is. It is also the most durable material that has been found to make mattresses with. It's a natural rubber byproduct from the latex in trees that's expanded and made into a foam that is very, very durable and very resilient. And it also has some amazing heat properties to it. It does not retain heat to make you hot. All these little holes allow air to pass through it, so it's very breathable as far as a fabric goes, or as far as a material goes. This mattress to my right has a topper on it, which makes it extremely soft. So if you like a soft mattress, we can soften them up. The mattress to my left is a latex core. Some people needing firmer mattresses, they really like the support of this mattress because it's not coils. It has a very unique buoyant feel all the way through it. So if you're one of these people that has trouble finding the mattress that's right for you, your body, your back, we can have you compare inner springs, latex, memory foam, air, all the different characteristics that you can build into a mattress. And we'll find the mattress that is going to give you the best night's sleep you're going to get. So when you wake up in the morning, you're not sore, you're rested and pain-free. So if you have trouble, if you're one of these people that has trouble finding a mattress, understanding how to choose a mattress, come to see us at Wert Bedrooms. We will put you in the equation to help you understand what you need to wake up feeling great. Again, I'm Randy at Wert Bedrooms. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.